Yo, what is good, guys? Today's trade recap for the 24th of February 2026. 2026. And basically, I took two trades today and I'm break even essentially for the day. One loss, one win. As you can see, only $11. So today was actually a pretty bad day. I can't lie, pretty bad day. Didn't read the market too well, but still ended up capitalizing a bit on some opportunities. So, yeah, let's get into it. So, basically, um, let me go back. Bang. So, so going into the day, I saw these were my immediate draws on liquidity. These relative equal lows and London high, obviously. And to the left of us was just a massive fair value gap, as you can see. That we did close over actually, but you know, not in big, not in big. So let me yeah. So going into the day, going into market open, I also saw this on ES, which was also a pretty strong draw. So I wanted to see maybe us take these lows and then go higher, something like that. So, and I was hoping that I was actually hoping that off market open we go like this. Oh shit. Like, where was market open? Like here, here, and then like that. That would have been perfect. But that didn't actually end up playing out. We actually ran these lows pretty quickly and with a lot of displacement. What I saw next, I first took a little short. I don't know. I was actually wanted to get in here. I think I got in. But what is going on? Why am I just? What is wrong with my trading view? I wanted to get in this trade to this low, to these lows here, but because we had this SMT, I didn't. So ES actually ended up taking this low, and we put in an SMT. So if we didn't put in this SMT, I probably would have took this short. But because we put in the SMT, I was hesitant with the short, and I took it off right after putting it on, after seeing that SMT, and then basically I wanted to see what the market wants to do. I wanted to see if I could maybe get a long to these highs, because there were pretty strong draws on both ES and NQ, and we had this big SMT, so this was kind of the low hanging fruit. But there wasn't a single 1 minute retrace, like not a single one. I waited for this gap to be retraced to at the limit here, then end up tapping it. As you can see, at the limit here, then end up tapping it at the limit like all everywhere. But we actually run it with a lot of displacement. So I was like, oh right, yeah, probably no trades for me today unless we start approaching this high here. Unless we start approaching this high here, I won't take a trade, and I'll take like a little continuation scalp to this high. That was my plan, which is what happened. So I actually, like, at this point I thought, yeah, we're just gonna chop for the rest of the day. We actually had a pretty good pump here, as you can see. And when it was here, I was alright. I zoomed in on the 1 minute and sometimes the 30 second. And I was waiting for a 1 minute pullback to a fair value gap. So bang, I entered my first trade here. Bro, why am I just first trade here? My stop was pretty sure there was like, yeah. Oh wait, not sure where my stop was actually. Oh yeah, wait here. Wait, this is the second trade. Well, you can see here that I took one long here at 10:34. Is this 10:34? This is 10:31, so I actually waited for a bigger retrace, I think. Yeah, 10:34 I entered here. Had my stop somewhere right here. It was actually like, I mean, nearly a 1-to-1, basically, nearly a 1-to-1. I should say, for the sake of it, 1-to-1. And I actually took it with lower size. Wait, what? Where the? Oh yeah. Once I saw, I think I was on the 32nd actually. Bro, I actually forgot my own trade. Oh yeah, once I saw this candle come in, I think I took it off manually. This candle, and I think I just took it off at like the bottom of this candle. And then on the 30 and then on the 1 minute, I mean, I waited to get a change in the state of delivery. Bro, what the fuck? I waited for, because we started chopping but still respecting this gap. I waited for the 1 minute change in the state of delivery here. We had this good displacement, and then I think I entered another long here once we had the 1 minute change in the state. And my stop, I'm not even sure where it was honestly, but oh yeah, I took it off manually because this is my second trade and I took it off at break even essentially. Yeah, look, 25.10, 25.10. Took it off at break even because I was like, yeah, if we're slowing down right before taking this high, we're probably not gonna, like, this is just not good. And I was like, alright, I'm just gonna get a re-entry. We probably want to retrace deeper, which is exactly what happened. And after we retraced into the 15-minute gap, like this 15-minute, let me mark out. So this is how it looked. So we retraced to the 15-minute, and then we had um, this was the um, 15-minute retrace here, and then basically I think, let me check where I took that trade. So yeah, at here I took here I took the trade. My stop was below this because this candle, because this was meant to be the breakaway gap. You know, we're not meant to retrace into this. This is actually pissing me off. Not meant to retrace to this, and my TP was this high here. This high. It's actually a bit lower, but you guys get the gist. This high. And yeah, basically ended up losing like 130, getting chopped up here, made 150 here, up $11 on the day. So yeah, that's pretty much it. One more K. So passing this eval. This is actually looking like a good month, I can't lie. Loss, win, break even, win, 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 loss, win, break even, then win here. Not bad.